Okay, so this is one of those items I almost feel like everybody needs this. This is the MulWark Razor Blade Scraper 8-pack mini plastic scraper tool with 5 pieces plastic and 5 pieces metal. It's a cleaning scraper tool. Actually, this is the 8-piece set, and I'm just absolutely blown away. It also comes with extra blades here in case you need them. But I mean, I just absolutely love the craftsmanship and the quality of this. You're just gonna press this right here to open this, and then you take out the razor blade, and it's just super easy. You take out the razor blade, and then you flip it around, and then you got what I have right here. And they stand by their product. There's a lifetime warranty. It's lightweight, handy. I just think it's such a cool novelty item. It would make a great gift item. I'll show you a demo in just a second. It's safe, it's durable, it's multi-function. You can scrape anything from glue, vinyl, adhesive, debris, what else? Decals, signs, labels, grease, painting, glass, car enamel, walls, ceramic, tile floor. The list goes on and on and on. It can also scrape glass, can clean food residues on cooktop ovens, induction cooker, and glass top stoves. It has a lifetime warranty. I just think these are absolutely amazing. You can tell the craftsmanship and the quality is just right up there. Absolutely stellar. And let me show you how cool this is. Watch this. Look at this. It can actually lift up that little tape right there. Easy peasy. It peels it. That's how fine and awesome this thing is from MulWark. I think it's absolutely phenomenal, and I highly, highly recommend.